Hi viewers, welcome to Max IELTS tutorial. If you are a first time viewer of our channel, then subscribe my channel without fail. In today's video, we are going to discuss some vocabulary related to IELTS writing test. We use the word conclusion very often in an essay writing as well as letter writing. Instead of using the same word conclusion, we shall use different words with the same meaning. Now, we shall see some synonyms of the word conclusion. The first synonym is to wrap it all up. The second synonym is to end things off. The third synonym is in review. The fourth synonym is finally it may be concluded. The fifth synonym is taking everything into account. The sixth synonym is to put it all together. The seventh synonym is to briefly paraphrase. The eighth synonym is summing up. The ninth synonym is to summarize the above. The 10th synonym is in recon. The 11th synonym is to reiterate. The 12th synonym is taking my above views into consideration. The 13th synonym is the crux of the matter. The 14th synonym is in an outline. The 15th synonym is in culmination. The 16th synonym is in closure. The 17th synonym is in completion. The 18th synonym is to sum up. The 19th synonym is in summary. The 20th synonym is to conclude. The 21st synonym is in closing. The 22nd synonym is finally it may be concluded. The 23rd synonym is all in all. The 24th synonym is overall it may be said that. The 25th synonym is on the whole. The 26th synonym is all things considered. The 27th synonym is in sum. The 28th synonym is considering everything. The 29th synonym is by and large. The 30th synonym is in the end. The 31st synonym is finally. The 32nd synonym is on a final note. The 33rd synonym is to finish with. If the video is informative, then like and share our video. Do subscribe our channel for future videos and click on the bell button to receive the notification of the same. You can also follow us on our Instagram and Facebook pages. Until next time, have a happy learning!